Good evening, ma'am. Good evening, classmates. I am Ruby Ann Kirafales of BE3, Group 3, The Reporter. Unit 2, School as Social System. A. Social System Model. The school is a system of social interaction. Social interaction plays an important role in learning. Interacting with other people has proven to be quite effective in assisting the learner to organize their thoughts, reflect on their understanding, and find gaps in their reasoning. It is an organized whole comprising interacting personalities bound together in an organic relationship. Wallet, 1932. As a social system, it is characterized by an interdependence of parts, a clearly defined population, differentiation from its environment, a complex network of social relationships, and its own culture. What is social system? Social system is a social organization. Is a group of elements and activities that interact and constitute a single social entity. Longrist 2000. It is a model or organization that possesses creativity beyond its component parts. It is distinguished from its environment by a clearly defined boundary. It is composed of subunits, elements, and subsystems that are interrelated within relatively stable patterns of social order. Olsey, 1970. What does social system refers to? Refers to activities and interaction of groups consisting of members brought together to a common purpose. Classroom is a good example of social system. Ethos. What is ethos in social system? An ethos is social when it informs the social interaction among people, not only in formal institutional contexts, in relation to the state, but also in informal everyday contacts in civil society. Norm. What is norm in social system? Norm, also called social norm. Social norm are the unwritten rules of beliefs, attitudes, and behaviors that are considered acceptable in a particular social group or culture. Values. What is values in social system? Social values are a set of moral principles defined by society dynamics, institutions, traditions, and cultural beliefs. Psychological aspects. What is psychological aspects in social system? Social psychology is the study of how individual or group behavior is influenced by the presence and behavior of others. Now let's proceed to social system models. First, social system are open system. Open system allow interaction between concepts and materiality or subject and the environment or abstract and real. Number 2. Social system consists of interdependent parts, characteristics, and activities that contribute to and receive from the whole. Number 3. Social system are people. People because people as biological or even as social beings. Or social system are good-oriented. Social system, it leads to organization and stability. Due to it, human behavior does not become deviant and they act according to the norms of the society. Number 5, social system are structural. Social because the distinctive, stable arrangement of institutions whereby human beings in a society interact and live together. Number 6, social are normative. Normative because it helps create the regularized patterns seen in the behavioral structure. Number 7. Social systems are sanction-bearing because socially valuable to members of the community, social sanctions play an important role in the creation and maintenance of social order. Number 8. Social systems are political. It involves both social and political factors. An example of something that is socio-political is the issue of environmental conversation, which is influenced by both social attitudes towards going green and by political policies. Number 9. Social systems are distinctive cultures because we have different set of symbols, rituals, values, and beliefs that make one group different from another. Number 10. Social systems are conceptual and relative. The patterned series of interrelationships existing between individuals, groups, and institutions and forming a coherent whole. Number 11. All formal organizations are social systems, but all social systems are not formal organizations. Formal organizations are more structured and rely on authority based upon chains of command. Informal organizations do not require hierarchies of authority or structured internal processes. What is the importance of social system? The society lays down certain norms and ideas for keeping the social system intact and for determining the various functions of different units. These norms prescribe the rules and regulations on the basis of which individuals or persons may acquire their cultural goals and aims. That would be all. I hope you have learned something. Thank you and God bless.